Hello, real estate investors. I'm here to just re-demonstrate to you what happens when you combine the power of real estate with the power of time. And so what I want to do is show you a scenario where if you buy a $350,000 bell curve house here in Olathe, Kansas, with 30% down, which is $105,000, at 7.5%, which on June 24th, 2025, that's about what it would cost for a real estate investment loan. Your PITI, your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance is going to be about $2,079. Now, it might be slightly different than that, but that's pretty darn close. I'm a big believer in buy and hold real estate. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an 8-year window as an example. And I chose 8 years because I want you to consider, if you're doing buy and hold real estate, we're not talking about flipping, we're not talking about real estate speculation, but we're just saying I'm going to buy a home and I'm going to let time and real estate do their work. So I went out 8 years, and here's what I found out. First thing you need to understand is that in Kansas City, we have about a 4.1 rate of appreciation. Now, so far in Kansas City in 2025, year to date, appreciation is coming in right about 8.3%. That's a really good number. But what we know is that some years you'll be over and under, and then over and over and over, and some would like this. But if you average it out over 20, 25 years, we're right about 4.1%. And that's exciting because that is the market doing its thing, hedging against inflation, because that almost always overall outpaces the inflation curve. So if you take that $350,000 house and you let time do its deal for 8 years at 4%, what you're going to find out is that house is now going to be worth $479,000 at the end of 2033. That sounds a long way off, but 8 years will come and go before you know it. So $479,000. So the first thing that's happened is you've created a $129,000 equity position. That's a very good thing, right? Then you add on to that you have principal reduction. So there's 4 ways you make money in real estate investing. The first one is cash flow before taxes. We're not talking about that one. The second one is principal reduction. The third one is tax benefits. Fourth one is appreciation. Now, we've already talked about appreciation, but now we're going to talk about principal reduction, because your tenants are paying rent and then they're paying your loan down by paying that rent. And at the end of those 8 years, you will have reduced your loan balance by $25,800, which essentially means over the course of the 8 years, you have increased your equity position by $154,800. So instead of having $105,000 in equity on the day you close, you now have $259,800 worth of equity. Do you see, with the principal reduction and the appreciation, how that works? Now, we haven't talked about cash flow before taxes, and I always recommend making sure you buy so that you have a comfortable number here. So maybe that takes a little bit more than 30% down, changes the numbers a little bit, but you also have tax benefits. All of the tax benefits that are associated with owning real estate investment property. This is why real estate, powered with time, is one of the greatest ways to create wealth for you and your family so that you can have your retirement worth having. Now, you can also go in and start comparing what would have happened if you took this money for the stock market, and if you took that $105,000 and just put it in the stock market. If you can handle the ups and downs of all of that, you can also start thinking about, okay, what would happen if I would have had it in an American Express high interest account? What if you bought crypto? You need to go do that homework on your own. I'm just telling you that after 8 years, you could go from $105,000 in equity to $259,800 in equity. That's not a guarantee, but that's just time and history and experience talking. My name is Chris Lindquist. I'm with Astra Realty. We help people buy and sell investment properties here in Kansas City, as well as manage them over the long haul. We also have a network of real estate investor agents and property managers in about 13, 14 cities across America, and we are here to serve you. So whether you're looking from Kansas City or somewhere else in the country, reach out to me. I would love to have a discussion about what your situation would look like, and I can also introduce you to agent maybe in your part of the area. I look forward to talking to you. Just click that call link down below.